This is at 5 volts. Seven volts. And this is 12 volts. As you can hear, it's starting to make some very annoying rattling sounds. It started doing this, well, I think 2 weeks ago, and at first I had no idea what is causing this. So I asked a few guys at overclock.net, and they told me maybe there is some air in the loop. So I uninstalled the cooler and installed the stock cooler, which is great, by the way. I'm on a Ryzen 5 1600. It has a great stock cooler, fortunately. I'm very happy with it, but I already had this cooler, so why not use it, you know. But anyway, I tried to bleed the air out, but it's nigh on impossible because due to the design of the cooler. As you can see on top, there is a little plastic window, so you can see, check or see the water level or if there is any air in the loop. As you can see, try to zoom in. There is a little bit, there's one little air bubble, I will point it out, right there. It's impossible to get out because I uninstalled the cooler, as I said before, installed the stock cooler. I let it run outside of my case. I opened the fill port, which is right there, and yeah, I shook it a little, and there's a lot of air was coming out at the beginning, and I had to fill it. I top it off, I mean. So I did this 2-3 times, and it was better. But after 2-3, maybe 4 hours of use, it's starting to make rattling noises again. So I'm like, okay, well, I repeated this process for like 4 or 5 days now, and the end result is always that outside of the case it doesn't make this noise, but inside the case it's starting to make these rattling noises. Today I spent 5 hours of my time bleeding this loop, this ALphacool Eisbaer, 360 millimeter, and but it didn't work, and it doesn't sound to me like it's air. I think the pump is gone bad. I don't know, but the strange thing is it doesn't do this when I uninstall it and let it run outside of my case. It only does this when I installed it and only after 2 or 3 hours of use. And it doesn't matter if nothing matters. I tried everything and nothing works. I tried to variable pump speeds, like this. Now it's off, going on. Maybe there is air stuck in a pump, then maybe it can come out, but I think the pump is not powerful enough to push the air out or something. I don't know. And it's just, I repeated this process, going 0, going up. Well, I think for like 10 times it doesn't work, It's a piece of crap. That's my final statement about this. It's a piece of crap. It's a nightmare to fill. It's a nightmare to bleed all the air out. This is a nightmare. It totally is a nightmare. And I regret the day I ever bought this. Thank you.